Controversial Citizen Coalition for Change Secretary General Sengizo Chabangu has spoken about his ill health. Sanapinda mashoko ataundi Sengizo Chabangu uchizovhura muromo wake manje pamusoro peurwere hwakamuataka hwakamudzikamisa zvokuti panguva ino akunyatsokuona kuti kunyange vana vakomana muthe ruling party havachamude padhuze, vakuda kuchienda forward vamueliminator. Sanapinda mashoko amundanyorwa panapa, don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa pahendes manyora vachiti Chabangu rose to prominence after orchestrating the dismissal of several CCC members of parliament aligned with then party leader Nelson Chamisa. This bold move triggered a major internal shakeup within the CCC, intensifying divisions in the opposition party. Some have since viewed Chabangu's actions as a calculated attempt to undermine Chamisa's leadership, with accusations that his maneuvers were influenced by infiltration from ZANU-PF party. Chipinda pahendo yake external kuti pamudanyoko pachinzi breaking his silence on the matter. Chabangu took to X, formerly known as Twitter, on Saturday, expressing his gratitude. This note serves to inform the notion that all concerned citizens of Zimbabwe about my gratitude to the Zimbabwean leadership and the Parliament of Zimbabwe for taking care of me during the time of my unwellness. True friends are realized during times of hardships. May God bless you. While Chabangu's report did not reveal details about his illness, his acknowledgement of the government's support is raised eyebrows given Zimbabwe's polarized political landscape. Chabangu remains a polarized figure in Zimbabwean politics, with the critics questioning his allegiance and the role in the ongoing tensions within the opposition. Do mashoko anobuda nyoro panapa vanhu vachikuona kuti aiwa they are not happy kunyange nemashoko anenge achitenda macitizens with the government of Zimbabwe achiti avo yakamira naye pakurwara kwake. People they remain confused vachiona nematensions ari kuitika with this political space. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Mapinda comment section menu mudze mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, so turn on the bell icon.